Hi friends, welcome to SvyadhyayaHub Tech channel. In my previous video, I provided a comprehensive checklist for MySQL installation, covered both pre-installation steps and discussed post-installation steps as well. Now I will demonstrate the installation process practically on Ubuntu. So, learning path, MySQL installation. How we are going to install MySQL on Ubuntu, I will show practically. We require a operating system so that I as told. So I have a virtual machine in my Windows laptop. Okay, I'm logging to the server. Okay, so this is operating system. So in the Windows machine VM, I install the operating system as Ubuntu. I'm logging to the terminal here. Okay, the terminal will give this is a command line tool. So we can execute our operations by using this terminal. Okay. So now so if you see here, there is a user and a host name. The first before at the rate is a username, after at the rate is a host name. Okay. Host name. See here, host name is MySQL 96. So now, okay. So usually in our work areas, we will not get these terminals. We have to connect by using the some other external tools. So mostly people will use Putty as a tool. It is used for remote connection for the Ubuntu or Linux operating systems. So it's a secure shell and it is used for remote connection for the operating systems. So before connecting, so usually this is simple, no normal user. With a normal user, we can't do any other activities or installation part. As I said, so the user should be having the root privileges or become a sudo user. So now I'm going to do sudo user. So it is asking the password for the user. So enter the password. If you see here, the after in the command line, so here it is a dollar symbol. Okay. So if you see here, hash symbol, the symbol got changed to the shell command line. So this is a shell command line. Okay. So when you are admin privileges, your command line will show the hash symbol. So if you see here, root is a user, 96 is a MySQL 96 is a host name. So I have to connect by using the cookie session. Before that, I have to confirm my IP address or host name. So I will do the IP address, IP add show. So inet is the IP address. So this is IP address 192.168.100.131. I'm going to use a putty. I will connect by using the putty. See here, I have already. Okay. Just I am loading. I will click. Automatically it will load. So expanding this. Okay, connecting. Log into the operating system by using the user. So okay, this is a user, normal user. So I'm going to become a sudo user. MySQL 6. So logged into a root user, become admin user now. So now I'm going to check is MySQL installed or not. Okay. And what Ubuntu version. Okay. So Ubuntu, you name -a. So this will give the Ubuntu 22.04 version 64-bit. Okay. So now apt, okay. You can use multiple ways to check the MySQL installation or running or not. Because if sometimes might be in already MySQL installed in the operating system, whatever the server might be. Okay, now MySQL hyphen version. No, not install anything. Search MySQL, which MySQL Where is MySQL? So this is a commands to check. So now this here it is apt is a repository for this Ubuntu app. We call as app list grep MySQL server. So I'm checking available MySQL server. Simple see MySQL server 8.0 is available. 8.039 Ubuntu MD64. Now going to install apt install use MySQL server 8.0. So this is a command to install a MySQL. So it will extract the package. So it is asking, do you want to continue? Yes or no? Yes, I want to continue this. Why? Enter Y. It will take. It is installing. See here, client core, all see library bio files, all dependencies also it is taking and installing. It will take max 2 minutes to install the MySQL. If you see here, etc MySQL my.cnf. So basically it's a my.cnf, but using now MySQL.cnf file. So whatever the configuration files are there, as I told in Ubuntu.cnf on Windows .ini extension. See, processing a man DB. Man is a manual pages for help commands. So now if you see this, where is MySQL? See, we can see where the libraries are installed and where the share folders, configuration file, everything we can see here. Now, service MySQL status. To check the health status, whether it is up and running, we can see like this service MySQL status. So PID, process ID is 560 point. The default port is 3306. As we discussed, 3306 default port. So now I'm going to connect the MySQL. So if I enter MySQL, it will connect automatically because it is not secured now. We have to do the secure installation, secure our MySQL. We have to do secure installation. Okay, so command is MySQL underscore secure. So why secure installation we have to do? To remove the anonymous user, to remove the root user, uh, remote connection and test databases. Okay, and providing the user password. Okay, so for this we have to do the secure. This is a post installation. Okay, so as I told, post installation is mandatory to secure our database. Okay, so it will say that valid password, use it to test password, improve security, check strength password. Press yes, any other key or no. I'm going to put yes. The password strength, if you give low length, it equals like, so this is the password strength and different types of medium, strong, low types. So here, please enter 0 is low, 1 is medium, 2 is strong. So I'm going to enter a 1 medium. Okay. So remove anonymous users. It will say that anonymous users. If any other anonymous users include will come, we have to say yes, remove that. Then disallow root login remotely. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. I'm saying that. Yes. Means it will connect only locally. When you are connecting when you are connecting your MySQL, if you want to use the root login, so it will allow local machine only. It will not allow root remotely. So remove test database. Yes. So now reload the privileges table. Now, yes. Okay. But even though MySQL password will not set because we haven't set the password, we told we are going to, what is it? The password strength and removing the anonymous user. Now, if you see that, still password we haven't set. Okay. So we are going to set the password. How we have to set the password? So there is an alter command to execute the and assign the password for the root user. Okay. So now we are going to execute the command. So first, before that, we need to check the user password is there or not. So where it will store. User details will be stored into the MySQL database under user table. Okay. So databases is showing the databases. So these are the system databases. 4 databases will come. So here use accessing the database use is the command use MySQL. Okay. So you don't know which database you are in. Okay. So you want to know select database. So you are in a MySQL database, or else you can check by executing the status command. So it will show that current database also. Which database you are using, it will show that. Now I'm going to execute select user, comma, host, comma, authentication string. Why authentication string? Because 5.7 after, okay, 5.7 later. So instead of password, the word authentication string came. Okay, user host authentication plugin. So for what is a plugin? Plugin is for there are different methods of plugins. MySQL native password method, SHA-256 password socket method. So these are the plugins for authentications string plugin from user. Sorry. See, this is a syntax error. Okay. So now I'm going to execute select authentication string. See, if you see here, root user, all the so whatever the users are there, some other users are password got assigned. So, but if you see the root user, password is not assigned here. So authentication socket method plugin, simple plugin method. So I'm going to assign the password for the root user. Alter user. So alter user. Which user? Root user. Root colon localhost. Okay. Identified by identified by password. We have to give in the password. What new password? So we told medium. Medium means one capital letter. Okay. All small letters, minimum 8 and above characters, and it's numerical as well. So now I'm going to put just this is temporarily right for me for root. So capital R O T at the rate 123 4. Okay, then enter. So whenever you are doing the grants or alter command, use flush, refreshing the tables. Flush, flush privileges. It will refresh the privileges table, reload the privileges table. Now, so if you use up arrow, you can see the previous commands, what commands you executed in the your command line. So if you see here, enter user local identified by password. It is not showing. 1 second. It will come exit and see. Still it is. MySQL. Okay, so you can use execute the command. Still it is not okay. I'm going to execute again alter command. So alter will not come. Alter user comma colon root at the rate local host identified by identified by password identified by password. Okay. Not taking. So what I'm going to do, so plugin also I will give alter user root localhost identified with MySQL underscore native underscore password oh, syntax error. See, syntax is important whenever you are executing. That is important. So always syntax will give the proper SQL statement. Okay. Alter, see, user root local host identified with MySQL score native password by root 123. So there is problem there. Same command, there is no changes, but I added plugin method MySQL native password plugin method. So we have a caching sh2 password plugin, auth underscore socket plugin, native password method. Okay, reloading the privileges tab. Now we'll check. Yeah, if you see, so this is supporting native password method. So now password came. So I'm coming, exit. I will try to log in without password, without a see. Access denied user, root local use. Okay. So means you have to mention the user and password. So user hyphen u user hyphen means user. Then you need to give the root username hyphen p. So hyphen p is the password. So password you should not enter the same command line because this is security reasons. So now enter the password. Sorry, wrong password. So you have to remember or you have to keep in your records the password. Okay. So you keep remember your password or you have to keep in your records password. Okay. So this is the root password. So STA status. To check the status, yeah, MySQL version 8.039 Ubuntu install. Okay. And log in with the root user localhost. So current pages standard out. Okay, using semicolons, versions, characters, DB character set, uptime 14 minutes 12 seconds. So this is the status. Thank you. Next video we will learn the remaining things.